Okay, karibuni tena, welcome back. So tutaendelea kwa mahali tulikuwa tumeiacha. Tulikuwa tumeifika, create our index page which is our home page, a contact page na about page, na tukawa tumeilink all this. So tulikuwa tumeitumia file base navigation, that is inside inside our page, tukailink na about page as you can see here, na contact page, but hautakuwa unaitumia necessary kuitumia hii kama navigation yako. Lazima uwe na a system. Kama ukiangalia mobile app yote ambao unaitumia, uende kwa app kama vile maybe Facebook, ambayo kila mtu labda anaweza kuwa nayo. Unaona hapo chini kuna tabs navigation. So vitu kama hizo ndio utakuwa unatumia ku navigate on your mobile app. So bila kupoteza wakati, wacha tuiangalie. Tulisema tukirudi leo tutakuwa tunaangalia file base na tutakuwa tuna create layout, and then from there we'll proceed to be able to create tabs ama pia draw navigation zile zingine. So yeah, ukiangalia hapa kwa our files utaiona huku tuko na hub. Hapa inside the hub tukawa tuko na about page, contact page na index page. So hapa tutakuwa tuna create layout. So na ku create layout yako uta click just here, make sure uko inside that hub, and then by clicking any of the files that you have created already, and then utai click on new file, and then starting with the underscore just type layout, make sure it's in small letters, and then .jsx like that. So underscore layout.jsx, and then using our snippet again, rnfes like that, then utaiona layout, but tutakuwa tunaitumia kitu ka root layout hivyo, but make sure name huku i change just inside here ndo utaiona. So this is our function already been created. So hatutakuwa tunahitaji all this, we don't require all of this because tutakuwa tunaitumia our one ambayo ni, so we'll just delete all this. Kuna venye utahitaji hizi sote. Now hapa inside tutakuwa tunaitumia stack navigation, na stack tutaitype hivi na hiyo itatoka kwa export router like that. Umeona hii imekuja from stack export router, and then make sure it is we close your stack like that. So already umeiona imesha stack our page. So imeitwa index page, then ukienda kwa about page umeona imesha create huku juu already, hali hatukuwa nayo. So and that's why index ilikuwa ina assume that rule, but now wakati umesha create our layout inakuja kuwa hivi venye unaiona hapa already. So this is our index ambayo imejiita index, but so stack inakuja, utaikuwa na option ya kuichange ka hiyo name unataka ikuwe different. So utaikuja huku, utakuja back here, and then utasema stack dot screen like that. This should be self-closing like that, and then name, make sure name inafanana na hili ambao uko nayo inside pale. So hivyo ndo itakuwa, and then uko na options now, you'll use various option kama vile, so title utaipa title, yeah, home page. So this one you will call it home like that. So umeiona imechange. So let's go back here. Unaona imechange automatic to home. Yeah. So let's continue and put all the other. So highlight, just highlight, or you can type each one of them, but shortcut you can just highlight it like that, and then shift alt key, and then down arrow, unaiona mara tatu kulingana na venye uko na hii hapa. So utaiona change this one now, just come back there and change it to about page, And then this one starts with the capital about, and then this one will be contact page. And I will change it to contact, contact, and then this will be also the contact page, like that. So yeah, so tukirudi huku kwa our app utaiona refresh by clicking R, utaiona about page. Now that's our about page, and then contact page. Unaona navigation yake imekuwa rahisi, so unapata huku juu kuna navigation easily, nice and navigate about an home page. Yes, now let's continue back here. So hapa uko na other options ambao umepatiwa, kama vile unaweza isema just inside here uko na other option like either shown. Do you want to show that either? Like you can show it, or you can leave it true if you want to show it, or just leave it default to shown. But ukitaka isionekane unaitype either shown false. So utaikuja huku kwa home page, unaona haipo. Urudi huku kwa home page, you will see because we have put either shown false, unaona haipo. But ukirudi kwa ile zingine kama vile home page ahina na hii, so inashumu unataka kuionyesha either shown true. Yeah, so that's why unaiona hapa kwa hii home page. So either imekuwa shown, so haina shida mpaka kwa hiyo about page pia hiyo inaonekana. Now ukirudi huku, hii ni specific style kwa each page, but unaweza kuwa na other global styles. Huku unaweza kuja unasema screen options. Hii ni global ambayo utaistyle all of this, venye unahitaji all of this page kwa inaonekana, ina represent all the pages. But inside here, this is just specific style. Venye unaona kwa hii ni specific style for this particular page, kwa hii page tu venye unaona peke yake. But hii inaitake global style, unaweza isema hivi. So utaisa kui style that one as a global style by so let's say header styling. Unaweza style either style, let's type that one, header style. Umeiona hapa. So tutaweza kusema background color. I can use something like, let's go back to ile color zetu. You can see our colors here. These are our colors. I will take maybe this one. Let me take like this one here, and then go back here, start with that one, and like that. So that's my color already. So as you can see, it has changed the color to that. Yeah, so you can also, if you are not familiar with the X color code, you can change to opacity, to bright, to deep, like that. So, or you can use this part, or you also use this part to change the colors. Now I will leave it that way. Now you can also continue putting more. So that's not the only one that you can start. You cannot only there's some other styles you can be able to use, like either tint color, let's say which color do I need? Let's go back to our color code and just pick that one. Yeah, either tint color. Make sure you start with like that. Good. Yeah, so that's our global style. Umemaliza. So from there, there's nothing really again from layout that you need, but now styling it further if you want to. Yeah, So unaipata everything now is perfectly okay kutoka hapo. So that's it for this video. So utakuja tuiangalie ukiwa kwa simu hivyo. Let me just open my app juu nimekuwa nikitumia hii. Ukiwa kwa simu yako hapo, ukireload utaiona vizuri sana. So just ukiona hivyo ndo ipo tu pia, yeah. So unaweza kuinavigate to all the page like that. So yeah, we'll come and continue from there to the next. We'll see what we can continue styling the other pages, and then we can also be able to now create draw navigation. We'll come and see tab navigation next.